Oga Potter, good evening, sir.
Evening, my boy.
Sorry for your loss.
No wahala, na normal thing. E dey happen. We go bounce back, knock them for second leg.
So you dey expect to qualify go quarter-finals?
Now. This na Dortmund wey on a normal day. We suppose knock them anytime wey we jam them for Champions League. Na just hard luck do us today. You no see say we dominate the game?
But lately, una no dey winning form, and Dortmund dey for 8-game winning streak. Wetin dey give you the confidence say una go overturn the situation?
Wetin we just need na couple more games for the players to blend together. And the 3 games wey we go play before the second leg go help us blend well well. So that on that day, we go turn around the situation.
Turn around wetin? Na Ebabi na Amala you wan turn around?
This man, wetin you dey do here? And wetin concern you for Chelsea matter?
My 7 million tickets wey you cut, na him consign me with Chelsea. Which kind blend you dey wait to blend your players sef? Una buy Enzo Ferrari, Fofana, Kukuruku and others. Wetin una no come fit buy na common blender.
What?
How much be blender for market sef? Na 1000 watts abi na 2000 watts blender you dey find?
You be mumu. No be that kind blend I dey talk.
All blend na blend. Since your players don turn to smoothie wey you wan blend them.
You dey craze o. Na me send you go bet on top Chelsea head.
No, na your mumune send me. Say make I advise
I
you.
no need your advice.
Wetin your players need na town hall wey dey different.
Different from wetin?
Balaba, Baba Blue.
Which kind blue be that?
Na the blue color wey Chelsea don turn to.
This guy, you no serious. I don comot for here, jare.
See, na for that time dem go introduce theirself to each other and get to know theirself. Because now dem dey play like strangers. Mumu man, you go assemble people from all walks of life and different parts of the world to come form team play ball. You no know say back pass for one language fit mean own goal for another language. Dey play, just dey play.
Kochi, why na?
I been tell you now. Say if we lose that City match, we go shrine.
But I play well for the match o.
No, that one no be problem. In fact, you play excellently well for that match.
Then why you still come dey carry me go shrine? I be born again o.
E be like say you never still understand. Since when you come this Arsenal, bad luck just dey follow us. See common Brentford wey we suppose knack on a normal day. Na im VAR official go do mistake, calibrate nonsense wey make them dash Brentford offside goal, deny us our complete 3 points.
But that one no be my fault na.
Wait make I finish. Everton wey dey struggle with relegation use cross and not score us. We find equalizer from now till tomorrow. We no see. The problem no be say na you dey directly cause am. The problem na say something wey follow you come from Stamford Bridge dey block our shine. E fit be say you know wetin you carry come.
I swear I no carry anything come.
In that case, you go need to swear in front of shrine to confirm am. E fit also be say you no know and Chelsea people put am for your body or bag when you dey sleep. In that case, you go need part of your body to do sacrifice, cancel the otumabo. Either which way, shrine must touch you.
Wait, them go use part of my body do sacrifice?
That na only if you know sabi when them put the otumabo for your body.
Blood of God, I don't die. Just quickly shoot me here make I die because I no sabi anything.